Good afternoon, folks. Roman here at All Things Automotive. We are looking at a 2012 Nissan Titan Crew Cab in blue, 92,000 miles. This one's not going to stay around long. Good color, good looking vehicle. As we walk around and looking at the 2012 Nissan Titan, this was a recent local trade. You'll notice that it is the more base model Titan, but of course offers the full-size crew cab. As you can see, looking just from the side view here on the Titan, that there's good rubber on the tires. We have the nice accent with the chrome running boards. And again, to let you know, these tires have a lot of meat, practically new. You'll notice that it does have the chrome gas cap to accentuate the chrome. You'll notice that it does have the tonneau cover, soft tonneau cover. Fits really nicely for the 2012 that it is. You'll notice that it also has the rear parking sensors on the bumper. It is equipped for towing and trailer braking as well. It is the SV model, 4x4 obviously. And then as we go to the rear, drop the tailgate, you'll notice that it is a lined tailgate, hard liner. As we go down the side, you'll notice that it is equipped with the mud guards as well, chrome running boards on the side as well. And just taking a look across, you do have your front tow hooks in the front as well as your fog lamps. And again, nice stance to the Titan. This vehicle does come, as we step into the driver's side, you'll notice that it does carry the vent visors, rain guards, what you would like to call them. We step up in using the running boards. It's nice, again, nice option to have there. Each car here at All Things Automotive will come, and this does too, come with 2 sets of keys, as well as a CarFax full history on the Titan. Again, big one everyone looks for. This Titan is accident free, as supported by the CarFax. As we turn the ignition, we'll see that, again, we do show the 92,593, the actual mileage. This vehicle, again, is going to be equipped even for 2012. It does have your hands-free phone system mode, as well as operations for your control for your radio here on the steering wheel. Also equipped with cruise control. It also has an option to turn off the sensors in the back. We have also over here the cargo lamp button. As I close the door, you notice that it does give you the power windows, door locks, and mirrors. Also is equipped with auto dimming mirror. It does come also with the sliding rear window in the back of the passenger area. You'll notice that the setup here, it does come with the 6 CD changer. It is 2012, so it still operates with the 6 CD changer. It does give you the option for the auxiliary radio, and again, you can see the basic controls, the interface there. Your heating controls. It does give you the two-wheel option, 4 high and 4 low option for the 4-wheel drive. Thing with the Titan, if you're not familiar, they offer a large compartment here in the armrest, as well as your cup holders, as well as another storage for your armrest as well. Inside, it is going to have the full original owner's manual, which is a good thing to have as well. So we do have that in tow. Also, another sunglass holder, optional sunglass holder, so 2 of those. And as we step out and move to the rear of the vehicle, you'll notice again, will sit 5 comfortably. So 5 passenger, 4 passenger comfortably, and again the large bed area for anything that you may need to tow. We do like to be fully transparent here with any blemishes or defects that the vehicle may have prior to you coming in. Again, as I mentioned, this is a 2012, so it's been driven. So as we look at the front, you're going to notice that the vehicle does have chips in the front end on the hood area. Also moving down towards the back, I know in looking at it, it has a couple little touch-up spots here on the back bed. Also on the trunk hatch, or the bed latch, bedside door, you're going to notice that it does have a scratch here, and there's also a dent here. So just want to disclose that to you there on the rear hatch there. As we walk down the passenger side, you'll notice again small touch-up spots. Passenger door, small spot. But other than that, again, 2012 Nissan Titan SV, four-wheel drive, here at All Things Automotive, 92,563 miles. Again, Roman Spriggs here at All Things Automotive. Visit us at allthingsautomotive.com or visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania 17233. You can contact us by phone at 717-485-4224. Or again, visit us on the web to schedule a test drive or schedule an appointment to come in and look at this nice truck. Thank you.